We're excited to announce the launch of several new agents and AI capabilities purpose-built for complex construction projects. Today, we're launching our new schedule assistant. Within the Outbuild AI assistant, you're going to have access to a preset of a set of prompts that are available just to, help get you going in terms of common questions that users ask when they want to dive into their schedule to be able to dig into analysis. What this assistant is going to be able to do is ultimately to answer your questions about what may be going on underneath kind of the details of your schedule, asking questions about activities, sequencing, duration, logic, really pulling out information and insights that otherwise would take quite a long time or a lot of digging into the schedule to find out. So in this case, it can either select any of the presets here, or I can ask and type out any question that I may choose. In this case, I may ask, for example, which project partner is most common on the critical path. I may want to know potential risk areas or really where I want to pay attention in terms of what potential trade partners may be most impacting my schedule and potential delays. So in this case, the project and trade partners have already been added into my schedule. In this case, they're all currently available. I can turn them on and have a look at them, but finding out which ones are associated with the critical path and digging into that information could take quite a while. So in this case, I can be able to see here very quickly if the assistant has pointed out for me that the drywall and framing trade partner is the most common project partner. It's actually listed out here, a breakdown of all of the critical path activities that are ranked by individual trade partners, as well as it's told me here are all the actual activities, which are the total amount of critical path activities that it actually analyzed to determine this information. So you're not just getting the answer, you're also getting all of the underlying kind of work and auditability that you're going to need to be able to rely on the answer that the assistant is giving you. Next up, we're going to dig into our 3 Outbuild agents that have also been launched as a part of our Q2 launch today. So I'm going to select and access my agents by either selecting the button here within the Outbuild AI panel, as well as now on our side navigation bar, we actually have a full section where you can dig in and learn more about our Outbuild AI agents. So in this case, I'm going to choose the first of these agents, which is the Schedule Health agent. So the Schedule Health agent is going to do an analysis over the quality of my schedule and really kind of provide an overall view into how your schedule has been built to date, things that may need some attention. So in this case, I have 3 checks here that need attention and some more digging into, as well as checks that may be passing based on the DCMA assessment, however, still need some additional attention. So things like negative lag or missed deadlines, so I can dig into a little bit further. So here I have 2 missed deadlines based on what should be expected based on my schedule progress. When you select into the Schedule Health agent, it's actually going to go ahead and highlight for you where those activities can be found directly on your schedule. So it'd make it easier to take action directly on the schedule activities below, as well as not just kind of show you these individual items, but I can dig a little bit deeper into the activities themselves, pull up the activity card and all the additional associated information associated with the activity, so I can either help correct that information, fix issues that are associated with predecessor or successor logic, or update and be proactive in reaching out to individuals who can help support and help me add in the additional information or rectify any issues that may exist on my schedule. Great thing about this agent is that the run that you're going to be able to do actually gets saved and you can track your progress over time. So as you continue to improve and update your schedule over the course of your project, you're going to be able to see that schedule health score increase or be able to change and evolve with how your schedule is progressing. Next, we're going to dig into what is our co-builder agent now available within their schedule. So the co-builder agent can not only give you analysis and recommendations on your schedule, but actually take action on your behalf as a user. So you can work with your co-builder agent directly within your Outbuild AI assistant workflow. But instead of asking it a question or analysis, we're going to ask to take some type of action and to take some editing, modification of something that already exists in the schedule. So in this case, I'm going to ask it to update or change some durations associated with some inspections I want to do. So I'm going to have these rough-in inspections be reduced by 2 days. So now the Outbuild AI assistant is going to trigger the co-builder agent to basically ask a couple more questions that are going to be needed. So it says that these rough-in inspections exist on 4 levels. One of those, for example, might be on 101, line 101 here, which is our rough-in inspection. Currently set to about 5 days in the schedule. And it's got which one does we want to update. We want to update all of them, and I'll say update all levels. So you can see it's asking for when it needs more information. It's going to ask back to the user and make sure that it has all the information it needs before taking action. So it says it understands. It's going to reduce these by 2 days from 5 days down to 3. And just again, confirming for me what each one of these activities are going to be and making sure that I'm fully aware of all the things that it's going to take action on my behalf. One more check where I can then preview what I want to see, or I can just go ahead and apply. So always kind of keeping the user kind of in control of what they want to do. Those 4 edits have now been applied successfully. Each one of those levels is now updated. If we go back to that activity 101, we can now see that the rough-in inspection has been reduced to 3 days from the 5 days, and it's been highlighted on the Gantt itself. In addition to modifying activities within your schedule, you can now also create schedule activities as well as update or copy and paste sequences in bulk in order to take care of a lot of those repetitive tasks that exist when building out, modifying, or creating your schedule. Last but not least, we're going to look at our third Outbuild agent, which is available for early access right now, which can be applied directly through our product, given out to an early set of kind of waitlist customers, which is our generate schedule agent. So in this case, I want to save those changes I just made, and I want to generate a new schedule. So the name of my schedule will be demo schedule. I'm going to create with my Outbuild AI agent, which is our generate schedule agent. So the generate schedule agent is going to pull in a whole bunch of information from my project, as well as other existing schedules that exist within my project already, and start to build out some assumptions around the schedule we want to build. In this case, I can determine how many floors or really edit additional information that I may want to exist on the schedule. And I can go ahead and fill this out. It'll provide over what the assumptions are of the schedule that is going to be created. But ultimately, you as a user are in control. You have full ability to edit or update any of the information that is going to exist here, as well as see what those assumptions are going to, how they're going to be made within the schedule by this preview element on the right-hand side. So as you're working through the elements on the left-hand side, you're seeing things update on the right-hand side in terms of the updates that you're making. So I can add in additional items, special scopes, site scopes that are going to exist for this particular schedule, and just in general modify it to my particular context and situation for the schedule I'm generating. So it'll give me a full ability to review what I just selected in terms of all of the inputs into the agent. The agent has walked me through kind of everything that it needs. It told me what it already knows, as well as it kind of has given me a preview of all the things it's going to do on my behalf. So I'll go ahead and generate my schedule. The schedule generator agent is going to take all this information and really create what would be that first version of the schedule that is going to allow you to give you an overall view into how the schedule is going to be created. It's going to identify and create existing or pre-existing logic associated between milestones, activities, sequencing, and really give you the ability to use this as a jumping off point to then go in, make any edits manually, or of course work with our Outbuild AI agents to be able to modify through the CodeBuilder agent, to be able to see how your schedule quality is progressing through our schedule health agent, or be able to ask questions with your assistant. So all of these agents really work together in really kind of a collaboration to help ensure that you're able to work with your schedules, get the most information, and really kind of ensure that your project's going to continue to stay on schedule and be delivered on time, on budget. Thank you so much for watching this demo video today. I really hope that we're looking for feedback, and I'm really excited to get out this Q2 launch to our customers. Thank you.